How to protect your account on Coinsbit.io. Installing two-factor authorization. After registration and verification, you need to protect your account on the exchange. To do this, after logging in, go to your profile and click Security. Two-factor authentication must be enabled here. To do this, you must already have the Google Authenticator app installed on your phone. In it, click on the plus and scan the QR code offered on the exchange's website. Also, you can manually insert the code if you can't work with the QR code. We strongly recommend that you save this code for cases when you lose access to your phone with the application installed and wish to restore access to your account using a new device. After these actions, go to the application and enter in the 2FA code field on the exchange 6 digits that you have in the Google Authenticator application. You will have two-factor authorization enabled, and now when you log into the exchange, you will need to enter an additional code from the application to log in. If you want to disable 2FA, enter the code in the appropriate field.